First time setting up the hot tent. Tunnel Mountain number 2.
Roman numeral or number?
Number.
Well, this is our campsite where we have to figure out how to set up a tent. You should assemble this tent at least once before your trip to familiarize yourself with the process. We didn't do that.
Can I bring a hammer?
No.
Is there doors right there?
No.
Should we redo it all?
Yes.
Ready? So what are we gonna be here 4 days?
Yeah. Those passes are good for the whole area in green. So from
Okay.
Banff to Jasper, from Yoho and Sinka as well.
You paid for 4 nights.
Drive around, you want to go set up because
Set up.
we're about to be at our campsite.
In 800 meters, take the exit toward Banff Townville, Tunnel Mountain. Use any lane to turn left onto Banff Avenue, Lake Minnewanka Scenic Drive. Your destination is on the left.
We have a hot tent we're gonna be staying in that has a wood stove. Can we have a fire in that campsite, or is that a no-no?
Fires are only permitted within actual authorized fire pits, so we can't enforce that. We're not going to enforce that. But if a warden was to come by, he may
Say something.
try to
Okay.
enforce it. There'll be a team here at 6 o'clock tonight, and you can pay for a fire permit and just explain to them that you're planning to have a fire, and they should be okay.
Okay.
There's the map for you. Shower buildings marked on there, the bus route, there's a dish sink in C. Firewood pile is marked on there.
More people are trying to use wood stoves, but technically you have to have your own fire pit enclosure. And they said the only real thing here is they can't enforce it. It's only if a fire warden comes through, and he'd probably check us. At worst, I imagine it'd be like a fine or something, and we have to stop burning. I don't know.
And what are we be?
52.
Okay, so there's 25 to 40.
So
There's
that
not
one.
gonna be a flat spot.
Yeah, there is.
Where?
Where all these RVs are.
How are we gonna tie it down?
Right between table and box.
I'll give it a read.
Yeah, look at that. That's it right there. Perfect.
Is that the front?
Yeah, you said back this way?
No, but this needs to be the front. Right, this is the front door.
There's a door here too.
There's 2 doors here.
Okay, there's 2 doors here too, sweet.
Alright, fine.
The pictures are safe on both sides.
Okay.
Alright, stake the 4 corners down.
Do you have something to drive these in with?
Yeah, I do. Did you get yours to drive? Try to drive yours.
No, I sure didn't. It's hard.
I wonder if we're on concrete.
Look at the ice.
I don't think it's ice, bro.
What else would it be?
Asphalt or...
You half-assed 3
Yeah,
steaks. Are you
100%.
you're just good with it?
I'm gonna bend them if I don't. I mean, that is solid.
Yeah.
The steaks didn't want to go into the ground. They were frozen. Also started to bend mine, so we officially have 2 steaks in out of 8.
Ready?
Where's...
Those are for the straps to go over.
Okay, okay.
So that thing on top there, Sarah, needs to go over the little pin. In between those 2 pins.
Yep. Alright.
How's this supposed to stay up?
Oh, my pin won't stay in. Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
We might have to turn this the other way, Sarah.
Why?
Because how are we going to string that side?
We'll figure it out.
That's asphalt, 100% asphalt.
Yeah, but I would rather have the sides out, right? Don't you think?
I'd rather have my main support. You know what I'm saying? What do you guys think?
I think we keep with the progress we have.
What are these hooks for?
No idea. Alright, will you tie that, sweetie?
Does it say in there how to use those clips?
No, said nothing about clips. I wonder if that just clips onto the rope and it'll grab it. Alright. Yeah, that's definitely what those are for. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. You gotta think we keep it where it's straight. Okay.
That's probably good.
Okay. It's gonna be too close, I think.
Why didn't you bring it out here some?
Okay. Because you want opposites.
You want it to pull against that side.
Okay.
Okay, that's probably good lift. Nice.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be so much space. I'm gonna set up, table up, set the Starlink up.
Rope.
You're completely wrong about that having doors on this side. Just have to walk around the table to get to the front door. Smells like a tarp in here. But man, is it nice. One of the more spacious tents I've ever been in.
Well, should we put the stove
It smells
in?
like a pool.
Let's put these tarps down. Yeah, it does smell like a pool.
Like the inflatable pools.
The wrapper of a pool.
Yeah.
Alright, this is our floor. Oh, shit. I think this is supposed to go under it.
No.
Really, Doug? Keep falling. There you go. You sure this doesn't go under it?
It might. Oh, you mean like?
Under the tent.
Yeah.
Like a normal.
You should assemble this tent at least once before your trip to familiarize yourself with the process and make sure all the parts are in good and working condition. This is the first time this tent's ever been assembled, first time we've ever done a hot tent.
Put your fingers right in here.
And
Yep.
that's it.
Other's hand too. Nope, they're only in the corners. Alright, that'll work. Oop. You hold on to those, Sinka. Let's put it over there. Pick it up. Hold on. Getting ahead of yourself, Sinka. Shooting in the dark here. It might have gotten there. Oh yeah. Okay.
Try to remember the order.
I know the order.
You build up.
I think so. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, Sinka. Right. Hold that. Can you go feed that down through to me from the outside? No fit. Hold on, stop.
So where a joint is for them? So it's not like a pipe straight through, it's just...
So that's the top one. That connects to here. Yeah, slide it on in there. Hold on to that.
Yours go through?
Hey, can you feed this one down to me?
I don't have one arm. Get it in there.
Set it down.
Get it in there.
No, I need this one fed down to me.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, but this has to go on top of that.
There's another one that goes in there. Just feed this one down to me. Oh, yeah. All right, just leave that like that.
Okay. Brr. Brr. Gust of wind just came by. It is getting chilly.
Feed those two into here. Seems solid enough for me.
That's it? That's your stove?
That's my stuff. Up and out that way a little bit. You ready?
How big's too big?
Can you bring me some pieces?
Yeah.
I mean, we'll want real big when we go to bed. Oh, that's safe.
Thank you.
Oh, it said something about a center T-post, but I didn't see that.
Or put it in the middle if you wanted it?
Yeah. You can come that in through an angle there.
Is that helping?
Well, it's helping it not get super smoky in here. Can you go right through one of them holes? Or less smoky in here. And we got a light we can hang?
Yeah, I did bring one. It's in the car.
Nice. So is this as tall as this gets?
What's wrong
Table?
with that?
Yeah. Dude, you just sit at it. Look at this. This is perfect. Table, I mean, it's like, what, a little 3-foot table? It's a camping table. Chest
We have
high.
like cards on this.
Yeah, I mean, it's a nice table.
It's good. Cook here, eat. Yeah. We have chairs. This is luxury.
I say this is right on the border between full-blown glamping and actual camping. It's just like it's a higher tier. It's simple little things like this that stretch a mile.
Because it is hot in
Let's
here.
turn it down a little bit. So you see that damper?
Oh, okay.
So you cut its airflow. I can't believe how warm it is in here.
It's hot.
Holy
Did you see my Starlink?
The Starlink set up. Me and Luke went to try and pay, couldn't find the people. But we also got our 8-gallon tank of water filled up, so we got like 7 gallons of water. Come back. It's pretty damn warm in here.
I can't see my breath anymore.
It's not outrageously fast, but it's still pretty good.
How's our obstructions? We'll give it time to set up. It's still adjusting.
This is very nice. This is some of the nicest camping I've ever done.
It reminds me of the pop-up. The canvas, I guess. Ooh, that's bright. It's much better.
Need directions?
Well, I'm thinking to you. Oh yeah, that one's reading. You can put it outside. Think that's perked enough? It's gonna be some strong coffee. Well, it's 30 degrees outside and 60 degrees in here.
It's about the only thing is getting snow on boots in here.
Yes.
And it melts, everything's wet.
Does this track highs and lows? Like all time? Oh yeah, it does.
Oh wow, I didn't realize we're literally on the border of Alberta, British Columbia.
Yeah. We could probably hit Mount Robson on the way out.
Oh,
Do we have too much stuff in here?
for sure.
It's also nice being able to stand head high.
Yeah, that is cool. Yeah. Is it hot? Oh, that's pretty good.
Oh, you want to grab the pan?
Should we give it 20 minutes to thaw out a little bit?
Sure.
Is this confidential information?
No.
Okay.
STM.
Yep.
882.87.
The benefits of Starlink.
882 point what?
18.
18.
So Luke and Sarah went to pay the fire permit, so we're allowed to have this stove. Again, fire warden's the only person that can enforce it by them. As they say, they bend the rules because more people are coming here now with stoves and hot tents, that during the winter it's okay. I mean, there's no ground there, so they just said pay for the permit, take the wood from us, and then you do as well. Wow. Is it free for the taking, or?
No, we paid for it.
Dude, there's just a massive pile of wood up there.
Oh, okay.
The bear sign did say not to leave
Stuff in here.
yeah, food or trash in your tent. That's gonna smell so much like food in here that
It won't matter.
yeah.
Everything about this. Everything is in here. Everything is warm. It's within arm's reach. All the gear, literally sleeping bag, backpacking bag, camera bag, snow boots, her bag, my cold gear, food container, food in cooler, 7-gallon water.
I'm not crazy. It's gonna be good.
I believe you. I do the same thing. Soft style mayonnaise type dressing, spicy mayonnaise. 22 out there, and it's 66 in here. Look at all those calories. Oh yeah. Winner, you taste the spicy? Yeah.
A little bit. More meatball. A little bit of spicy. It's pretty good.
Pot did not last long by any means. Sunshine Village set up rentals tomorrow for Saturday, 2 days from now, skiing, snowboarding. There, and they're camping up in here.
Look at it, it's red.
You gonna let her cool down a little bit?
Yeah, cut the air to her.
The light's kind of starting to dim out. I can't even see you guys.
Here.
Oh, literally just, yeah, you don't even have to collapse it. Wow, look at that.
Otherwise, one person's gonna be really warm. And
Yeah, you can be real warm.
Substantially warmer than expected on all fronts. More space, everything about it. Tomorrow we'll go farther into the park